तो सर ये भरता है, फिर तो ये भरने के बाद में सर हम इसको ऐसे ओपन करके सर ये पूरे एग्रीकल्चर में सर इतने ही एरिया में पानी वाटरिंग करके सर ये पूरा एग्रीकल्चर फिर कर सकते हैं। सर यहाँ पे सोलर प्लेट थी, सनराइज नहीं आ पा रही थी, यहाँ पे सर टच होता है, फिर बजर बजता है।
People are using this technique at their homes for decoration purposes, but in future it will be the need of generation, because as the continuous growth of population, it has predict.
This is our project named Influence of Salt Dissolved in Edible Oil for Cardiovascular Patient. In this project, we will learn that which oil is harmful for us and which oil is good for us.
So, as you know that the water is a universal solvent. So, if we dissolve salt in it, it will dissolve in it very nicely. So, because of this, the salt means NaCl, which we say as a sodium chloride. So, after dissolving the salt in it, the sodium, which has a positive charge, will attracted by the cathode. This is electrodes, which is will attracted by the cathode, and the chloride will attracted by the anode. So from this process is called as breaking down of elements, which is known as electrolysis process. So we will now see the bulb will indicate if the electricity will passes through it or not. So let us see.
If the electricity passes through it, it means that it is good conductor and it can be easy for digestion.
So
as you can see, the bulb is glowing. So the water is easy to digest in our body. So this is refined oil. So we will test the refined oil is healthy or bad for us.
as you can see, the bulb is not glowing here. So it means that it is not easily digested by our body, and when we eat the oil by dissolving the salt in it, it will not break into the elements which I said into the water. So it will remain same as it is in our body. So here you can see the blockages caused in our blood vessels. When the heart pumps our blood, it will go through our whole body, and it will causes a it will causes the blockage in our blood vessels. So we have after causes of the blood blockage in our body, it will cause the heart attack. And for it, the only one solution is that using this oil, which is a safflower oil, which we have brought from the wood factory. It means ghanatla tel. So it is a good conductor of the electricity, and it can be easily digested by our body. Let us see. So the bulb is glowing. It means when we eat this oil, after the salt is dissolved, the salt is very muchly dissolved in this water, in this oil. So we can eat it, and the blockage is not caused. The only main reason for at this time the heart attack is this oil. We are using this oil, so we should not use this. Instead of this, we should use the safflower oil. It can be seen as the very dirty, but it is a very harmful for our body. Thank you, sir.
Can make these equipments in home easily?
Yes, sir.